Huge immigration changes ahead. Students, workers, and Canada missing PR targets. Canada's immigration landscape is shifting dramatically, and the next few months will bring some of the biggest changes yet. New pathways, new restrictions, and major updates are coming for international students and temporary foreign workers. At the same time, Canada is on track to fall short of its permanent resident admissions target for 2025. Here's everything you need to know in one clear, simple breakdown. Faster TR to PR pathways coming. Canada plans to fast-track up to 33,000 temporary workers into permanent residency in 2026 and 2027. Details aren't announced yet, but IRCC says they'll prioritize workers with strong ties in Canada. This includes people who pay taxes, contribute in-demand skills, and work in key sectors. Past TR to PR programs filled instantly, showing huge demand for quicker pathways. Tighter TFWP rules ahead. Prime Minister Mark Carney has signaled major changes to the temporary foreign worker program. The TFWP will shift toward targeted sectors and region-specific needs. Last year's LMIA pause already limited applications in high-end employment regions. With 2026 TFWP admissions dropping to 60,000, LMIA approval may become more difficult. New sector-specific PR streams. Canada is rolling out new immigration streams focused on high-demand sectors. These include a PR pathway for H-1B tech workers, a program for undocumented construction workers, and a new agriculture and fish processing stream. Sector-specific work permits will accompany these programs. Meanwhile, the home care worker pilot reopens in 2026. Shifting to student updates. International students are also seeing major changes, with some policies easing access and others tightening it sharply. Here's what's coming next. Study permit cap likely to drop again. Canada will announce the 2026 study permit cap in January. The new immigration levels plan cut student arrivals from 305,900 to 155,000, a dramatic reduction. This suggests the study permit cap will also shrink. Canada already fell short of 2025 student targets, so the impact may vary by region. Graduate students exempt from the cap. Masters and PhD applicants will be fully exempt from the study permit cap in 2026. They won't need attestation letters, making applications smoother. IRCC will fast-track doctoral applications in as little as 2 weeks. This boosts Canada's competitiveness for research talent. PGWP eligibility changes coming early 2026. IRCC is removing 178 study programs from PGWP eligibility. The change was delayed but will take effect in early 2026. Until then, these programs remain PGWP eligible. Students must choose programs carefully if they want Canadian work experience. Shifting to PR target news. These major student and worker changes are happening as Canada falls behind on permanent resident admissions. Let's look at the numbers and what's driving the slowdown. Canada set to miss 2025 PR target. From January to August 2025, Canada welcomed 276,870 new PRs. To meet the year's target, Canada would need over 118,000 more arrivals by year-end. Projections show IRCC may fall short by 43,062 admissions, about an 11% gap. This is partly due to reduced targets and partly due to slower processing. Why PR admissions are dropping? Canada aims to reduce PR admissions to below 1% of the population after 2027. PR targets for 2025 were slashed from 485,000 to 395,000. PNP admissions were cut in half, forcing provinces to run smaller draws. Many PNP streams have paused, suspended, or closed entirely due to reduced allocations. Fewer express entry invitations. Express entry issued 9,350 fewer ITAs this year compared to 2024. No STEM category draws took place in 2025, removing thousands of potential ITAs. PNP-linked ITAs also dropped because of reduced nomination allocations. Fewer ITAs ultimately mean fewer final PR admissions. Temporary resident reductions also affect PR eligibility. Canada is reducing temporary residents to just 5% of the population by 2027. Restrictions on SOWPs, PGWPs, study permits, and LMIs all limit future PR pipelines. Fewer temporary residents today means fewer eligible PR applicants tomorrow. This is contributing to the slowdown in PR admissions. Conclusion: Canada's immigration system is entering a major transition. New PR pathways, tightened work rules, lower student caps, and a slowing rate of permanent residency. These changes will reshape how students and workers plan their future in Canada. Staying informed now will help applicants prepare smarter for 2026 and beyond.